Dale, Miss.
Okay, guys, this is going to be your review workshop from today. We are only going to perform these 5 exercises. The first one is, okay, all of them are topics that we already saw. So I hope you have here your notebook because you're going to need it, obviously. And the first one is an equation. The second one is about problem solving using equations, about transforming my expressions, normal common expressions, into algebraic expressions. The third one is about problem solving using equations. The fourth one is a quadratic equation. And the fifth one is a question. A question about quadratic equations, okay? So I highly recommend you to read it well before you start doing it. And if you're gonna be weird, be confident about it. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind and good luck.